Hybrid events, what are they and how do they work? I'm Lev Cribb from WebinarExperts.com and I'm going to explain just that. Hybrid events are dominating the conversation, and from our perspective here at Webinar Experts, hybrid events are an entirely new event format, and it's one that's here to stay, and for good reason. It combines the best of both worlds. Having run more virtual events and webinars than ever before in history, events organisers have seen an increase in reach, engagement, and audience data insights. These are amazing benefits that we will all want to retain for our future events. Q, hybrid events. Again, now in our minds, this is an opportunity of a lifetime, and we are really excited at the prospect and the possibilities that hybrid events hold. Undoubtedly, organisers will face the challenge of getting it right, because hybrid events aren't just physical events with an added live stream. There are simply better ways to engage your audience. Instead, think of your hybrid events as, well, hybrid. Physical and online event portions should feature in equal measure. But don't stop there. Take a hybrid-first approach. Design your events with all audiences in mind, not just physical or online. These audiences have distinct and very different content requirements, and your content strategy and delivery should reflect that. So, how do you get started? The best event organisers will entirely rethink their approach to running events, starting with what a hybrid event will actually look like, as opposed to how a physical event can be tweaked to include an online element. This might mean hiring smaller event venues, because you'll also be focusing on bringing on a larger proportion of your audience online. Also, consider a redistribution of investment between physical and digital, because some of the savings on the physical side might be required to boost your online presence. This could also mean a refocusing of how and where the content is being created. Having a good understanding of how and in what format your audience prefers to consume content will help save time and money when creating those assets. And maybe this is obvious, but take the best parts of your physical event and combine them with the best parts of digital. That is what will set you off on the right path to an amazing hybrid event. Now, there are many factors to consider to create a truly hybrid event, but ultimately, creativity and that hybrid-first approach will lay the foundations for hybrid event success. I'd also like to share some practical starting points and ideas. First, design your events as a hybrid event. Try not to lead with physical or online. This is going to be a joint venture between the two mediums. Consider live streaming your keynotes, but also create exclusive behind-the-scenes content for your online audience. This will then drive additional hype around your virtual experience as well. Offer your online audiences the opportunity to listen into fly-on-the-wall discussions, think Clubhouse, but also create some additional interactive engagement sessions online, such as virtual roundtables. This will give you an additional insight into your remote audience. And finally, create new digital-only formats with geographically diverse speakers in a way that you couldn't have brought together in a physical setting. So, throw off the constraints of physical events and discover the art of possible with hybrid events. Good luck, and if you'd like to find out more, get in touch.